Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to turn off hardware acceleration Chrome. First, open the Chrome browser. There, click on the menu and open Settings. After this, you will go to the System section. In this field, turn off the switch, use graphics acceleration when available. It will be necessary to click Restart for Chrome to be restarted and thus disable hardware acceleration. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.